Let's take a look at the new Predator Pallas 2 DDR5 memory kit. This is a 32GB kit, DDR5-6000, and in terms of latency, it's CL30. Supports both Intel as well as AMD motherboards. That's nice. The box is fully wrapped in plastic. Let's open it up. So far, I like the presentation. This certainly feels like a premium product. But we'll see in just a moment what it truly looks like. Oh, look at that. There's some padding over there to ensure that the modules are not sliding around during shipping. That is a nice touch because sometimes these RAM sticks, they do come scratched if they're not packaged correctly. I've had that happen to my Corsair Vengeance memory modules once. They came in slightly scratched on the surface, but that's not the case for the Predator Pallas 2. This product looks and feels premium. I'm genuinely surprised with what Predator managed to achieve with this product, because in terms of price, it is not even that expensive. It is quite affordable, actually. So I'm surprised to see solid quality, and especially I'm loving this accent right here. Black PCB as well. Nice. I really wish I could get my hands on two kits, because when you insert it into a PC, if it's just two sticks, it doesn't look as nice. Although it is practical to have just 32GB of memory, because if you're gaming, then you don't really need 64GB. In terms of aesthetics, I'm loving this kit. Good job, Predator. Let me know, what do you think about this kit? Does it look good? And if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to reward my work with a like and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.